Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be checking out Flavibot, which is a really powerful music bot with a lot of great features that allow you to play music from places like SoundCloud, Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, the radio, and more, all at very top-notch quality with some extra additional features that add some powerful utility to your Discord server without having to go down and hunt down an additional bot. Things like automatic roles and also like a ticket support system so that people can ask for help from the moderators. And for those interested in picking up Flavibot Premium, you can use Lair10 as a promo code at checkout. So the first thing we've got to do is add Flavibot to our Discord server so that we can start listening to awesome music and checking out some of their other really powerful features. And you can do this in one of two ways. The first way is you can click on the button here to add Flavibot directly via their invite link. And the second way is the newer way. So you go to your server and you go up to the server name at the top, and then you go to your server settings, and then there's something called the app directory. This is where Discord is moving a lot of their bots to, so that you can add them as an application to your server that way. In this case, we can just type in Flavibot, and it should pop up right here at the top, and you can see all of the different stuff that it does. It offers high-quality music from Spotify, SoundCloud, Deezer, Apple Music, radio, 24/7 mode, filters, autoplay, web player, and playlists, all of those good things, along with DJ roll system and all of that good stuff. They're also running on over 60,000 servers, so it's a bot used by a lot of people. And so to add it through here, all we have to do is click Add to the server, and we will add it to my Chupacabra test server with all of the commands that it wants and all of the different permissions that it wants to use. And we will click on Authorize and prove that we are, in fact, a human being. And then once you've completed all of that, Flavibot should jump in to your server and give you their standard greeting here to say, hey, I'm Flavibot. This is how you set up different things. This is how you play music. And if you need more help with the more detailed list of music, you can find all of that by typing /help. So we can type in /help. And this will automatically show us a good cross-section of all of the different commands that the bot has, and you can also see those same commands here on their website under the commands section. So one of the first things that most people are going to want to do with this bot is immediately just hop in and start playing music with all of their friends. So let's just go ahead and do that so you can get a sense of what the sound quality is like, what the time to get the command in and, it to start playing is like, to see how quick it responds, and all of that good stuff. So we'll just type in /play, and you've got a couple of options. You can type in a link directly to a song from your platform of choice out of the ones that are supported by Flavibot, or you can just let it search for a song by name. I'm going to grab one from the No Copyright Sounds folks because they won't get me in trouble with copyright strikes on YouTube. So I'll just type in Jim Yosef Volcano, and it'll automatically jump into the channel and start playing Volcano. And I can just keep adding songs willy-nilly from whatever list of stuff, like we can do Diviner's Guide You Home, and then we can type in /play. What's another good one? XTOM Enemies. I just turn my volume down a little bit so I'm not distracted while I do a presentation. And then you can just quickly start creating your own little playlist of different songs. We can also say play Niose La Manera. And sometimes this won't get the exact song that you're looking for. It's just going to try to search for the nearest spelled the same song that it can find in its records that's available on one of these platforms. So that's currently our queue of songs, and if we type in help again to look at all the different stuff, we can look at the playlist of what's now playing. So we can type in now playing, And if you want to see what's currently playing on your server, you can also click on this View Online button, or type in /control-panel, and you can actually see a running list of all of your songs here on the website on a back panel, so you can dynamically control what songs are in the queue visually, which is especially handy if you are a DJ or an administrator on the server. And this allows me to do things like I can even rewind this whole song just from this music player. And that's kind of nice. There's not a lot of other music bots that I've ever seen, actually I don't think I've seen them at all, that have their own music player that allows you to like skip ahead in songs to the next song. Although it does delete it from the queue, so if I wanted to re-listen to that last song I can, but that's not a big deal. You can also see if you've created playlists or your viewers / audience / server members on your server have created a playlist. You can play them and control them here, and I'll show you how that works here in a moment. So you got a couple ways to see your songs and to control them. Let me see if there is one here to show the queue. So we can just type in /queue, and that will also show us just inside of the Discord chat your queue of upcoming songs so that you know what's happening. So we have a couple of different ways that we can control these songs. You've obviously got the ability to pause the track by just typing in the command or typing in resume. So all your standard music controls are available in button form. You can click on the actual buttons that pop up here in chat right here under the song name. You can also type in the commands, or, like I was saying, you can come over here to the web panel and you can visually start, stop, skip, repeat, loop, all of that stuff by just a few buttons right inside of here. The other thing that you can do, which I absolutely love, is this bot allows you to set up a controller channel so that you don't have to worry about people putting bot commands in the memes channel or the general chat or chat channels they shouldn't do that for. You can just type it into controller, and Flavibot will actually set up its own controller channel right here where all of the commands will go to, so that you don't have to worry about this making a big mess on your server. So those are all great music control like settings that you have options for, so you can control this bot in the way that is the most comfortable for you. So I really like that. And obviously these are buttons that you can use to control the bot, and it responds very quickly. So that's all very cool and nice to see. So the other thing that you can do that is something that I haven't seen a lot of other bots doing is you can dynamically control your own playlists directly through the bot itself. You don't have to like make one on Spotify or make it like a weird playlist list of like links on SoundCloud. You can just create it via whatever your queue is right now on Discord. So we can just type in /playlist, and you've got a few different options here. You can add the current queue as your playlist. You can add the current song to a playlist that you're currently creating, or you can just start making a playlist by hand by just typing in the names of songs, which is all really cool. So I'm going to say, let's add the current queue to a playlist, and let's make the playlist my first playlist. Oh, unfortunately, that feature is currently locked behind me voting, but that also means that you don't have to purchase premium in order to unlock this feature. You can just vote for Flavibot in order to create playlists on the server. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now that we've voted for Flavibot, we should be able to add this song queue to a playlist that we're going to call My First Playlist. So we're going to create a playlist first. My First Playlist. And now we can add /playlist, add queue, My First Playlist. And now Flavibot has added these 3 tracks to the My First Playlist playlist. So now we can, now that we've got a little playlist going, we can go /playlist space play My First Playlist. And then boom, all of that is now added to our queue, so we can type in /resume. And then there you go. Once we've got the playlist playing, it'll automatically start, and you can hear the music playing. So you've got a lot of really great simplistic controls that happen with Flavibot that allow you to easily control your music, and at the core of a good music bot is that. Now, some of the other stuff that this allows you to do that I'll go over briefly is that they've got some other features that you'll see in a lot of other bots. They've got the ability to add filters, so you can make your music sound like a demon is singing it, or it's nightcore, or it's been sped up or given a vaporwave sound to it. There's things like 24/7 mode, so you can have this constantly playing as if it's a radio. You've also got it so that it can announce songs, has a default loop. You can set a DJ role, so you can set up different admins that have control over the bot. That way you don't have to have random people voting for it if there isn't an admin around. But you don't also have to make everybody an admin who has control over this bot. You also have things like roles. So let's go over some of the background stuff that is available inside of Flavibot. So if we go to my servers, and I go to my test server, here you can see some of the different stuff that the bot can do that are more utility based. And some of these you can toggle on and off without actually having to type settings in on the actual server itself. In fact, let's go ahead and pause the bot so I don't have to pay attention to if the music has ended or not. So you can announce what song is currently being played, yes or no. You can default to a loop if you would like to. That way the music will automatically loop. You've got the ability to autoplay songs. You can have buttons on now playing messages or not. So if you don't really find yourselves using the actual clickable buttons and you want them to not be posted with all the other information, you can. All of this stuff, pretty self-explanatory. You can toggle it on or off here on the back panel, which is really nice. You've also got the ability, if you pay for the bot, to create your own custom themed bot where you can show if it's online, if it's currently playing. You can add your own prefix, although I feel like the prefixes on bots in general are kind of getting phased out, so it's going to mostly be slash commands. But if you want to use prefixes, it has it built in so you can make your own custom prefixes. You can also add its own icon as well. Here you can change what the default language is that the bot uses, so in case you want to use French, Spanish, Dutch, or Italian, you have those options for more usability. Down here, you've got things like giving welcome messages or giving automatic roles to new members as sort of like a welcome to the server. There is a leveling system, and you can actually see the leaderboard of all the people who are the highest ranked in the different levels in the entire Flavibot system. Then over here, you have a ticketing system that you can set up in case people need to put in support tickets. You can set this up so that this will send support tickets to you in case somebody needs help with something on your server. And this will also enable an official system to like have a running log of all the support tickets that people have submitted on a server. Some of this stuff is maybe not something everybody wants or needs, but it's nice to see that this bot has some added utility on top of what you would otherwise be able to use. So you can see there's a lot of different added utility that this bot has, but it's also got some really powerful controls for your music. So what do you get if you pay for premium? So basic premium gives you release vote locks, so you can use all the major features without having to vote for it. You get unlimited number of playlists that you can save to your profile for people on your server to use. You can make a special role on this. Oh, you get a special role on the support server, so you're all fancy when you need help from the developer. Over here, you can get premium, silver, which access to Flavibot Premium, 2 premium servers, release vote lock, 24/7 mode, so you can have like a radio going, unlimited tracks in the queue, amazing filters, default volume, default song, default autoplay, special role on the support server. Although you can't have a custom bot, nor can you have a custom status and activity. But if you pay for the full gold premium, which is only $6 a month, you have access to the premium, all the other tiers from the previous 2. You also get a custom status and a custom avatar name and all that stuff for your own custom bot, which is kind of cool. So if you want a lot of customization and you really use your bot a lot and you want to support the developer and get some added cool features, Definitely a good value for premium, and definitely nice to see, because this does have a bunch of different versions of the actual bot that you can use on a server as well. So we go back to the servers, we go over here, you can see there's Flavibot, Flavibot 2, Flavibot Premium. You can also test out beta and alpha as well, which is really cool. So you've got access to a lot of bot features, and you can have more than one bot on your server. So that's all really super helpful. And you can also have your own custom version of the bot. That way, you know, it's kind of branded to your server if you find yourself with a very large server that you want some premium capabilities for. So I think that's kind of neat. It's not terribly expensive either, especially considering all of the different utilities that you get for use with this bot. And for those of you who are interested in supporting the channel and also interested in getting the premium for Flavibot, you can use the promo code LAIR10, that's LAIR-10, at checkout. Oh yes, and the last thing I will point out before we leave off on this particular tutorial is this also has a music guessing game called Music Guesser, where you can type in a Spotify playlist and it will play the first 30 seconds of a song, and then you have to find or guess the title of the song and the vocalist or the vocalist in order to gain a point. So we could type in Music Guesser, and then it'll ask us for like a playlist, my first playlist, and then how many rounds you want to play, or how many different songs you want to go through before they declare a winner, and you can then guess a song. Unfortunately, I don't use Spotify personally, so I don't currently have a playlist that I can use in order to demo this, but it is a fun little game that you can play with your friends or check it out for yourselves in a group on the Flavibot Discord that you can have a lot of fun with, because you don't actually get, like, I don't think I've seen a single music bot that has a built-in game in it, so that's kind of cool. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been how to use Flavibot and the different sorts of control schemes and other features that it has. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.